Hello to all these smart, young, energetic students. I congratulate all of you for choosing one of the best professions of India. Chartered Accountancy has great repute all over the world. It is a very lucrative profession and gives a lot of contentment in life. But any profession which has so much of name, repute, and being a lucrative profession, you have to really work smartly in order to become a chartered accountant. I repeat, there is a difference between working hard and working smartly. I've seen in my 35 years of experience of teaching, those students who worked smartly were able to do chartered accountancy in the least possible time. But those who did not wish to work smartly but want to just drag it on, pulling it on, could not clear this examination. So my basic aim is to clear certain things to you. CA profession has three parts. The first is foundation, second is intermediate, and third is final. You have to clear all the three phases in order to become a chartered accountant. Now, I give one example of a subject, accountancy, which most of you have studied in class 11th and 12th. If your basics of accounts are not clear, then it would be very difficult to become a chartered accountant. Yes, there would be certain students whose basics are not clear and they have been able to clear foundation by hook or by crook. There could also be a possibility that they have cleared their intermediate examination. But I can tell you with guarantee, they will not be able to clear the final examination. They will get stuck up. And this is precisely what is happening in our country. If you see around, there will be many students who have been able to clear up till intermediate level and they have not been able to clear the final exams. The reason being, the basics of some subjects are not clear. It could be accountancy, it could be cost accounting, it could be tax, it could be law, it could be auditing, any of these subjects. They are not failing in all the subjects. They are failing in some of the subjects in this examination. So, from the very first day of preparations for CA profession, keep in mind that every topic, basics, fundamentals are clear to you. You cannot move on to the second topic without knowing the basics of the first topic. Don't do that. This is not a school exam. This is not a university exam. This is a professional exam. And being a professional exam, you have to be 100% sure what you have studied and how you have to approach your exams. I, CA RK Dadoo, I repeat, I did my chartered accountancy in the year 85-86. I started teaching from 88. And in last so many years, I've been able to guide and motivate hundreds of students. And they all have become chartered accountants and doing well in life. Even my son did his chartered accountancy in the first attempt. So, don't get carried away. Think and have a very meticulous approach and a very clear approach to clear these exams. I am starting a new group from 1st of November for CA Foundation. You are welcome. You can join me. I'll be teaching accountancy, economics, and law. The mathematics subject would be taken by another faculty. I can assure you, if you follow what I say, 100% success is there. 100% success is there. Believe me. Thank you.